There are millions of fun animated GIFs available online, but maybe you're looking for something more personalized or custom. Want to create your own? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to create your own animated GIFs. Now let's get started. One of the easiest ways to create your own GIFs is using the GIF Maker tool by GIPHY. To access this tool, open your preferred browser and go to giphy.com/create/GIFmaker. We'll have this page linked in the description box below. You may be asked to create a GIPHY account in order to proceed. You can also sign in with your Facebook or Apple account. Now you can either import an image or video from your computer, or paste a URL with the video or image source you want to use. Depending on the source material you're using, the next step will look a bit different. If you're using a video, trim your video clip down to 30 seconds or less, selecting the part of the video you want to use for your GIF. Then click Continue to create. If you're using a still image, you'll need to add some kind of animation to your image to turn it into a GIF. You can do this using stickers or filters. To dress up and edit your GIF, you can use the tools in the panel along the right side. The pencil icon brings you to the main editing tools, where you can further trim your video clip and choose if you want your GIF to loop normally or in reverse. If you click the text icon on the right, you can add a text overlay to your GIF. Type in what you want your caption to say. Click the plus sign to add it to your GIF. Then customize the text by choosing a font, text color, outline color and style, and adjusting the text alignment. You can then click and drag the text box where you want it to appear on your GIF. Adjust the sizing by dragging the bottom right corner of the text box, and even rotate it by clicking and dragging the circle at the top of the text box. Clicking the Sticker tool will bring you to the Sticker menu. Here you'll find fun graphics you can add to your GIF creation. Browse trending stickers, or search for something specific. Click a sticker to add it to your GIF. You can adjust the placement, size, and rotation of a sticker the same way you can with text overlays. The next tool is for filters. These filters offer different styles and animations, including black and white, rainbow color changing, rumble, VHS, and groovy. You can adjust the intensity of a filter by dragging the slider below. The crop tool makes it easy to change the aspect ratio of your GIF. Choose from original, landscape, square, or portrait, or use the custom option to crop your GIF to a size of your choice. The last tool is called Layers. This tool allows you to adjust the layering and timing of any overlays you've added to your GIF. Drag your layers in the order you want them from top to bottom. Click and drag the ends of a layer to adjust the timing of when it will appear on your GIF. When you're finished customizing your GIF, click Continue to upload. Choose if you want your GIF to be public to anyone on the GIPHY platform or private. If you're making it public, add tags to help other users discover your creation. When you're done, click Upload. If you want to save your GIF to your computer, click Download. That's all it takes to create your own animated GIFs. Want to share your creations on Instagram? Check out this tutorial to learn how to get your GIFs into Instagram's sticker menu. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.